Will you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Maribel Borrello Viernes. I'm 40 years old. I live in Maria Teresa Extension, Cabanatuan City. My husband's name is Pepito Viernes Jr. I have one son, age of 9 years old. I'm graduate in Nueva Ecija National High School. I worked in Hong Kong for almost 6 years.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
For the future of my child.
Are you willing to do all around household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
What experience do you have in household chores?
Ironing, cooking, washing, and that's all.
What about naughty little children? Can you also take good care of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a simple English song for little children?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter Indian, 4 liter, 4, 5 liter Indian, 5 liter, 6 liter, 7 liter, 8 liter Indian, 10 liter Indian boy.
Is it okay for you to take care of elderly or bedridden persons?
Yes, ma'am.
How about animals? Can you take care of them too?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to operate modern household appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
How about cooking? Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what particular dishes can you prepare?
Chinese, Cantonese dishes, and Filipino foods.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you interested to learn the language?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you please tell us more why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to help my family.
Would you like to say something else to your future employer?
I want to be a kind person to my future employer and honest. And thank you.